Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to add someone on Telegram just by using their username. If you've ever wanted to connect with someone on Telegram but don't have their phone number, this simple method will get you set up. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find, connect, and save new contacts quickly and easily, perfect for networking, staying in touch with new friends, or growing your community on Telegram. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Telegram app. You'll probably land on the main screen, which is either the list of your chats or possibly your contacts, depending on your settings. Now, the reason we start here is that everything you need to find someone and add them is just a couple taps away. Next, look for the search icon. It usually looks like a little magnifying glass in the top corner. On some versions of Telegram, especially mobile, you might see a new message icon which appears as a pencil or sometimes a plus sign. Either one will let you search for people, so don't worry if yours looks a bit different. Just tap whichever icon you see. The app is designed to make this part quick and intuitive. Now we're at the search bar. This is your gateway to finding anyone by username. All you need to do here is type the person's username. Telegram usernames always start with an @ on many platforms, for example at Jane Smith or at CoolUser123. If you're not sure, double-check with the person you're trying to add. Typing the username is important because Telegram works across the globe, and sometimes people choose similar usernames, so accuracy here really matters. As you type, Telegram will automatically show you possible matches, just like how search works in Instagram or Twitter. Once you spot your friend, colleague, or new contact in the results, go ahead and select them. Usually, you'll see their profile picture, their exact username, and maybe even some brief info about them. Sometimes you'll see several similar usernames, so make sure to pick the one that matches exactly. If you're connecting for work or a hobby, you can even send a quick message at this point to make sure it's the right person before saving them. That way you avoid mixing up your contacts. Now with their chat or profile open, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see their name or their profile photo. Tap on it to open their full profile. This is useful because it lets you double-check their info, see if you have mutual groups, or just make sure you're about to add the right person. Think of it like opening someone's virtual business card. Finally, look for the Add to Contacts option. It might be a button on the profile screen or in a menu, depending on your app version. Go ahead and tap it if you want to keep this person in your contacts for easy access later. This step is super helpful, especially if you chat with a lot of people or need to organize your contacts. By adding them, you'll be able to find them faster, see their status more easily, and manage your connections like a pro. And that's it. Adding someone by username in Telegram is that straightforward. If a step took you a minute or things looked slightly different on your device, don't worry, Telegram updates and customizations can change the look a bit, but the process remains the same. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and if you've got any questions about Telegram features, drop them in the comments so I can help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. I post new videos every week to keep you up to speed. Thanks for watching and see you next time.